Another really nice day out there.
A terrific day so far, Jess. Some of the best weather you could ever really hope for at any point this summer. Here we are, kind of the early stages of the summer, enjoying a prime June day. Looking out the Lewiston Auto camera from the studio. This is time lapse from first light of day. We had daylight showing up at 4 o'clock this morning in the northern horizon. You see how bright it's been all day. Not a cloud to be seen for the first, well, about 7 hours or so. There are a couple of very small cumulus clouds beginning to develop here and there, but we're going to stick with a sunny theme, quiet theme for the rest of the day. Lake City and Signal Hill, CC Heights, Austin, all looking equally bright and cheery at this hour as we look now live eastward, rather to the west toward Cascade Lake from CC Heights. That's our Lewiston Auto camera. 78 right now here at the studio. The winds out of the northeast, 11 miles per hour. A little more noticeable at times. The winds drawing in that dry air. Dew points only in the 50s. That's pretty comfortable stuff. Relative humidity less than 50%. So that's really tolerable, to say the least, for this time of the year. 77 officially at the Rochester International Airport, on our way to low 80s. Little cooler than the past 2 or 3 days. Not quite down to what we consider the seasonal average. 78, technically speaking, is the average high for this particular day. We haven't had a day yet this month that has been at or even below the seasonal average. It's been at least 3 to 15 degrees above average every single day this month. 77 in Winona right now, Mesa City already in the low 80s. There it's 82 this hour. At the airport, again, north winds 10 miles per hour. Dew point only 56. Air pressure is steady. And high pressure still in charge of the weather for today. And again, tomorrow that'll be the case again for our Wednesday. Sunny skies today, on our way to low 80s. Tomorrow maybe mid 80s. Thursday warmer than even that, and more humid and stormier. Maybe even a couple of rounds of thunderstorms during the day. Thursday very, very early. And then, of course, at that prime time, we're talking afternoon, evening, when we normally see a lot of storm development. That's where we're going to be watching the severe weather risk. And then beyond that, fairly mellow weekend for the most part. 77 right now in Rochester. Heat is beginning to build to the west. Miles City 98. We're not going to get there, but we're going to see something a little warmer certainly by Thursday as that heat builds westward and translates eastward in time. North Platte right now 84. And Lincoln, Nebraska, 87. Dew point still pretty comfortable, 40s and 50s where we are, but look westward. Already some of that moisture beginning to stream northward into that upcoming storm system. Right now, things are quiet on radar, but we look to the west, and already there have been some thunderstorms. They've kind of been fizzling out, but more will reignite along an approaching warm front with that storm system. That front will make its way eastward and in time bring us thunderstorm chances as soon as very late tomorrow night. But severe weather risk, a very small one well west in the plains tomorrow. This is after midnight tomorrow night. We may see at least a couple of those remnant storms coming in, fizzling as they get to our area, but after midnight we may see a couple of strong storms with large hail and damaging winds, but a much higher risk comes up after noon on Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours. That cold front, that storm system, rich humidity in place, instability climbing through the course of the day, temperatures close to 90. It looks like an unstable environment. Severe weather is a possibility in the afternoon, something we're to be watching in time. 81 today, a lot of sunshine tonight. We drop back to the 50s after a warm, summery day. A pretty quiet stretch of weather, though, continues today and tomorrow. We've had some very pleasant weather going all the way back to Saturday behind that last cold front. Going back to last week, we have some quiet weather, nice northeast breeze today, low humidity as a result under high pressure. Tomorrow, good looking day for Wednesday. A few high clouds come in. Come those thunderstorms late in the evening hours, more than likely close to midnight. And then as that cold front with that storm system comes in, interacts with that humid air mass, we see storm chances in the afternoon and evening on Thursday. And beyond that, it does look like we'll cool back to more seasonal levels, close to 80 for Father's Day weekend and even the days beyond. So today look for highs around 81 in Rochester, 82 in Austin. Again, a northeast breeze around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear, a low of 57. And tomorrow, another seasonable day. Not terribly muggy, a little warmer, 84 with south winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thunderstorms likely very late tomorrow night, more than likely also through much of Thursday afternoon and evening. Chance of late day thunderstorms on Father's Day. And temperatures by then, pretty comfortable stuff though, 70s to low 80s. That one that really stands out though, Thursday could be a little stormy. We could use the rain though, and it's gonna be a little warmer as well.
Yeah, we do need some rain for sure. Today though looks really nice.
Loving this Tuesday, absolutely.